Welcome. If you're looking to make your Telegram group private using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is simple and only takes a few moments. Making your group private ensures that only invited members or those with a special link can join, giving you more control over your group's privacy and security. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your account. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group you want to make private. Remember, you need to be an admin of this group to change its privacy settings. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the Group Options menu. From the drop-down, select Edit. This will take you to the group settings page where you can manage various aspects of your group. Now, look for the section labeled Group Type. Click on it to see the available privacy options for your group. Here, you'll see the choices between a public group and a private group. To make your group private, simply select Private Group. When you do this, your group will no longer be searchable by the public, and only people with an invite link or those you add directly can join. After selecting Private Group, don't forget to save your changes. Usually, there's a Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Click it to confirm your new settings. And that's it. Your group is now private. Only members you invite or those with the special link can access your group, ensuring a more secure and exclusive environment for your conversations. Thanks for following along. Enjoy your newly private Telegram group and take control of your community's privacy.